How to manage stress in 60 seconds. Stress. We all experience it, whether it's work deadlines, exams, family responsibilities, or even just the constant buzz of notifications on our phones. But here's the good news. Managing stress doesn't have to take hours of meditation or an entire day off. In fact, you can reset your body and mind in just 60 seconds. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 quick techniques you can use anytime, anywhere. And don't worry, you won't need any special tools or equipment. Let's start with the simplest but most powerful tool, deep breathing. Here's what I want you to do. Inhale slowly through your nose while silently counting to 4. Hold that breath for another count of 4. Then exhale gently through your mouth for 4. That's called the 4-4-4 breathing method, also known as box breathing. Now, why does this work? Because when you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode. Your heart races, your muscles tighten, and your brain becomes hyper alert. But deep breathing tells your nervous system to do the opposite, to slow down, relax, and restore balance. Just a few rounds of this technique can reduce your stress hormones and bring a sense of calm. Next, let's try something called the grounding method. It's a mental exercise that pulls your attention away from stressful thoughts and back into the present moment. Here's how it works. Look around and notice 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This method interrupts the cycle of anxious thinking by reconnecting you with your surroundings. Think of it as an anchor that keeps your mind steady when stress is trying to sweep you away. It only takes a minute, and you can do it anywhere, at your desk, on the bus, or even before bed. Finally, let's talk about quick resets. Sometimes the smallest actions can change the way you feel. For example, simply smiling, even when you don't feel like it, triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals. Another trick is gratitude. Take a moment to think of just one thing you're grateful for right now. It could be as big as your family or as small as the cup of coffee on your desk. Gratitude shifts your brain away from stress and toward positivity. These tiny resets may feel simple, but they're surprisingly powerful. So let's recap. You now know 3 simple tools to manage stress in just 60 seconds: deep breathing, grounding, and quick resets. The next time you feel overwhelmed, try one of these techniques and notice the difference. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with a friend who could use a quick stress reset. Remember, stress is a part of life, but how you respond to it is always in your control.